Hey, what's up, y'all? Kevin with Lazy Pond Farm here, and been telling y'all I was gonna get some chickens. So today we're doing that. We're here at the local little feed place, Carolina Town and Country. Let's see what they got. Got one big old roo in here with a goat. We got some teenagers here, I guess you would say. What we got? Had to ask. Looks like maybe some Rhode Island Reds, maybe some Barred Rock, some Arcanas. I don't know. Have to ask them what they got in here. See some fuzzy feet over there. Might just all be barnyard mixes. I'll go inside and check out what they got in there.
One second and I'll be right back. Are there certain colors that you want?
No, that's alright. Just
Oh my god, hold still.
there you go, y'all. Lazy Pond Farm is a chicken farm again. Here, check them out. These are Bantam Brahmas. So, be cool to have chickens again. I think the boys are going to enjoy playing around with them and getting some eggs. And we got straight run, so hopefully we'll get at least one rooster out of the bunch. And honestly, hopefully at least one hen, right? So, we'll see what comes of it. I'll get them home and get the coop all set up, and I'll show you all that real quick. Probably catch a little slack from some folks. I use non-medicated crumbles with my babies. Just not big on the whole medicated thing because, you know, I bought these straight run. If I end up with, you know, 6 of the 8 as roos, I'm gonna eat them, and I'd rather not eat them if they've been fed medicated feed. So just gonna get them set up here. Just wanted to show the feed I was using, and I just went ahead and bought new feeder and water. They're only a couple bucks. I'll probably put some couple pebbles in the water so it's not too deep for them in there, and hopefully they won't drown. But that's what I got to get them started with. I'm gonna get it all set up and I'll bring y'all back. All right, we got them some feed and some water in here. Put some rocks in there so they can't get too wet and drown in there. This coop's got a small mesh bottom, and I've got some larger square plastic coated wire that I've put in the other side for the quail. But I actually didn't want to change this side out, and I'm glad I didn't, because it works great for these little bitties when you want to bring them outside, and you know, you need that smaller mesh, so it works pretty good. Be getting a heat lamp out here for them in just a minute. That one there shivering a little. Get that heat lamp put up so they got a warm spot in here. But yeah, Lazy Pond Farm has chickens again. How about that? Bantam Brahmas. So you see the little feathered feet on them. But pretty excited about this. It's been a while since we've had chickens. Gonna stay in here at least a few weeks till they get feathered good and don't need a heat lamp. And I'll be refurbishing this old coop I've got, so be looking for a video on that. It's gonna be some work, but I'd rather refurbish an older coop and reuse it, not waste it, than especially with prices of lumber right now, be crazy to go buy all that stuff new. So be looking for that. This is Kevin with Lazy Pond Farm, signing off.